Starting a YouTube channel in 2024 can feel like a challenge, especially when you're eyeing popular niches like movie reviews. These spaces are dominated by big creators, making it hard for newcomers to break through. But here's the thing, competition isn't a roadblock, it's a redirection. Instead of focusing on oversaturated niches, it's time to discover new, untapped opportunities. Today, I'm sharing 10 faceless YouTube niches that offer massive growth potential. If you're ready to put in the effort and creativity, these aren't just ideas. They've been proven to work, and I'll show you how. What makes these niches stand out? They check off 5 key factors. 1. Passion. You don't need to be an expert, but interest will keep you going. 2. Demand. Relevance today and long-term appeal for the future. 3. Competition. Room for new creators to rise. 4. Monetization. Niches with high revenue potential. 5. Scalability. Endless content ideas without feeling repetitive. I've carefully selected these niches because they're not only viable now, but they'll also support long-term success. So, if you're ready to find your YouTube success, let's dive into these opportunities and take that first step towards building a channel you can be proud of. But before moving forward, make sure to subscribe our channel. And if you are getting knowledge from this video, comment and share this video. So let's get started. 1. AI tools and tutorials. If you've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel around AI tools and tutorials, now is the perfect time. With artificial intelligence rapidly growing, there's a massive demand for content that explains how these tools work. Whether it's creating tutorials for design tools, AI-driven automation, or machine learning platforms, the possibilities are endless. What's great about this niche is that you don't need to show your face. You can create screen-recorded tutorials explaining the features, functions, and benefits of different AI tools, all while engaging your audience with your voice. Plus, AI tools are constantly evolving, so there will always be new content to create. With businesses and individuals looking to leverage AI to improve productivity, the demand for this content is huge, especially in industries like tech, marketing, and even education. The RPM for tech-related content is usually high, making this an excellent niche for long-term success. If you're passionate about technology, this could be the perfect niche to dive into. 2. AI for solopreneurs and small businesses. Next up, let's talk about AI for solopreneurs and small businesses. As more entrepreneurs start using AI to automate tasks like social media marketing, email campaigns, and customer service, there's a growing need for content that shows them how to use these tools effectively. In this niche, you can create videos explaining how small businesses can use AI to save time and boost productivity. Whether it's through affordable tools for managing leads or AI-driven content creation, the potential here is massive. And the best part? This niche is still wide open, with plenty of opportunity to stand out and establish yourself as an expert in the space. Small business owners are looking for ways to simplify their processes, and AI is the answer. Creating videos on this topic will not only help your audience, but it can also attract lucrative partnerships with AI tool companies. This is a fast-growing niche with high demand and low competition, perfect for those interested in entrepreneurship and technology. 3. Sustainable living and vegan lifestyle. Sustainable living and vegan lifestyle is a niche that's gaining massive traction in recent years, especially in developed countries. More people are seeking ways to live a sustainable life, reduce their carbon footprint, and make healthier choices through plant-based diets. This niche covers a range of topics, from zero-waste tips to vegan recipes, eco-friendly product reviews, and much more. And the best part? It's still a niche where new creators can thrive. Consumers are looking for content that helps them live more sustainably, and if you're passionate about the environment or veganism, this is a niche with plenty of opportunities. You don't need to show your face. Screen-recorded tutorials, lifestyle tips, and even narrated slideshow videos work wonders in this niche. Channels focusing on sustainability are gaining momentum, and people are eager to discover new ways to live more consciously. Whether you're talking about eco-friendly products or sharing tips on how to reduce waste, the growth potential in this niche is huge. 4. Travel, unique destinations. If you love exploring new places, unique travel destinations could be the perfect niche for you. Instead of covering the typical tourist hotspots, focus on lesser-known, off-the-beaten-path locations that aren't saturated with content. These could be hidden gems in nature, remote villages, or unique cultural experiences that most people haven't heard of. This niche is especially great for faceless content creation. You can create stunning visual journeys using stock footage, drone shots, or travel video clips, combined with a strong narrative. People are always looking for fresh, authentic travel experiences, and this niche allows you to provide exactly that. What makes this niche particularly appealing is the ability to appeal to wanderlust travelers who are tired of the same tourist traps. By focusing on these undiscovered locations, your channel can attract a global audience eager to explore new destinations. Travel content never goes out of style, and this unique angle makes it a great option for building a loyal audience. 5. Self-care and mental health. The self-care and mental health niche is booming, and for good reason. In a world full of stress and anxiety, people are increasingly turning to content that helps them manage their mental well-being. Whether it's stress relief techniques, self-care routines, motivational tips, or ways to cope with depression, there's a huge audience ready for content like this. This is an incredibly rewarding niche because you're helping people improve their quality of life. The good news is it's also a perfect space for faceless videos. You can create soothing visuals, narrated tips, and calming advice without ever showing your face. Content like guided meditations, breathing exercises, or even mental health myths can resonate deeply with your audience. Mental health and wellness content is always relevant, and there's an ever-growing demand for creators who can provide value in this space. Plus, this niche has a loyal and engaged audience that is eager for new content. If you have a passion for helping others, this niche offers great potential for both growth and impact. 6. Horror and mystery. Horror and mystery is a fascinating niche that never seems to get old. It's a space where creativity thrives, and there are endless story possibilities. Instead of the usual animated horror stories, you can delve into real-life unsolved mysteries and strange occurrences like planes that mysteriously disappeared, mass murders that shock towns, strange artifacts or unexplained events from history. The best part? This niche has a global audience and can easily be created using AI-generated visuals for dramatic effects and compelling storytelling. Whether you're narrating a chilling story or analyzing real-life mysteries, this genre can be engaging and even addictive for viewers. With the right mix of storytelling and visuals, you can create content that draws in horror fans and mystery lovers, making it an ideal niche for faceless content creation. There's an audience out there who craves suspense and intrigue, and if you can tap into that with your unique take on these stories, your channel could grow quickly. 7. Relaxing and meditation sounds. For those seeking peace and calm, the relaxing and meditation sounds niche is a perfect fit. Many people turn to relaxation music, meditation guides, and ambient nature sounds to unwind after a long day. This niche has an audience that is constantly growing, especially with people looking to reduce stress and improve their mental well-being. The beauty of this niche is that it doesn't require face-to-face interaction. You can simply create calming visuals combined with relaxing sounds, like ocean waves, forest ambiences, or soft instrumental music. And, with the right commercial licensing or original sounds, you can create content that not only helps people but also earns revenue through ads. This niche is profitable, but you must approach it professionally to comply with YouTube's monetization rules. By combining AI-generated visuals with soothing audio, you can create the perfect content for relaxation, meditation, and mindfulness, tapping into an ever-growing market of stress relief seekers. Let me know if you'd like more details on any of these niches and how to get started. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with others. And for more valuable insights, hit subscribe and join our growing community.